This is just that recipe that you should never fail to try. If you've never tried any of my other recipes, this one don't fail to try, because you'll have missed out on a great yummy taste. What's up guys, welcome back today to the channel over here at Follow Me with me, Stacy Candy, and welcome. I'm just overjoyed because whatever I've planned for you today guys, it's very sweet and delicious with the sauce. You guys will just be amazed. This is just that recipe that you should never fail to try. If you've never tried any of my other recipes, this one don't fail to try, because you'll have missed out on a great yummy taste. So before that, if you haven't subscribed, remember to click the button below to subscribe, and also the bell notification to be subscribed if you're new over here, and welcome to the family, and you'll get notified the next time I post a new recipe. Karibu sana to all those who are new, and for those who have been here, thank you so much for your support and continue being here. I love you all. So without much further ado, we're just going to go directly into the kitchen, because this meal, it doesn't even require so much explanation because of how sweet and yummy it is. Haya, karibuni, twende jikoni, twende tupike. First, marinating our chicken for about 30 minutes, and for this we'll need some salt, soy sauce, garam masala, black pepper, cumin, paprika, some thyme, and obviously our chicken breast. We'll begin marinating our chicken by adding in some thyme, then paprika, cumin powder, black pepper, garam masala, some salt for the taste. Salt is a must. And then we drizzle in some little bit of soy sauce and mix it all together and let it sit for about 30 minutes so that it can marinate. But you can marinate it for about 1 hour if you want it to marinate longer, but make sure it's not more than 2 hours. Reason being, chicken breasts are already tender, so over marinating it will make sure that it becomes too soft, which won't be so nice when cooking it. 30 minutes later, we're back with our chicken breasts all marinated, and now we are ready to begin making our delicious sauce. And for that, our ingredients are some roughly chopped onions, the chicken breast, some ginger and garlic paste, cumin powder, black pepper, chicken masala, some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and some salt, and we're ready to go and begin making our sauce by adding some little bit of oil into your sufuria or cooking pan. Then add in your onions and fry for some while until translucent or a bit golden brown before adding in your ginger and garlic paste. Your oil doesn't have to be too much, just very little of it, because you don't want it to be too oily. Once your onions are well fried and also your ginger and garlic paste is well cooked, next we're going to add in our spices, which are some cumin powder, black pepper, and also some chicken masala. Mix it in and ensure it mixes up with the onions and the ginger and garlic paste. Next, add in your chicken breasts, and then add in some very little bit of water to ensure that your chicken breast does not stick onto your cooking pot as you are cooking the meat. Then give it a good stir, cover and let it cook for some few minutes, and as it cooks, keep on opening your sufuria as you keep on turning your meat to ensure all sides are well cooked, and then let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until well cooked. Once your chicken breasts are well cooked, next we're going to add in some bit of ketchup, which is about a quarter cup of ketchup, and then stir in your chicken breast to mix with the ketchup. Then next add in your barbecue sauce, stir it in and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the amount of the sauce reduces and becomes thick. Once your meal is ready for serving, you can serve it with your favorite starch. So for me, I'm going to serve it with some turmeric rice. I'll link a post to my turmeric rice on my blog post in the description section. And also, you can serve it with anything else. Some bhajia, which I'll link over here above, or some pilau, some chapati, anything that you prefer will go well with this delicious chicken breast sauce. Yeah, and you're ready for serving. Finish off your serving by garnishing your chicken breast with some bit of sesame seeds, which you'll just sprinkle on top of your chicken to give it a nice look. Guys, and now we are finally done with making our meal, and it's over here looking so yummy and tasty, and I can't wait to dig in. And this sauce is very sweet. The first time I made it, actually I didn't expect it to be that sweet because I was just messing around in the kitchen, but from then on I love this sauce. And remember, you can use it in anything, with drumsticks, with chicken wings. It's also very sweet. And now for me, I paired my chicken breast over here with the rice. So we're just going to dig in, but before that, have you subscribed? If not yet, remember to click the button below to subscribe to get notified the next time I post a new recipe or anything new over here. And also remember to click the bell notification button so that you don't miss anything. Keep up with this family as we continue growing. So without further ado, I'm going to taste and do the taste test. So in with my meat and my rice. When we first finished doing it, so sweet. Guys, the festive season is here, and tunawajua nyinyi ambao mnapenda kwenda kwa watu at this time. So this time round, don't go to people, but instead surprise them with a welcome invitation to come and taste your meal by cooking this tasty, simple meal. They'll actually be shocked by the transformation. Remember those New Year resolutions you had at the beginning of 2019? Don't lose hope. You can transform them within this short period by inviting people over at your place to have a meal, other than you going to their places and unawashtua when they were not expecting. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Remember to come back next week, same time, same place. Tukutane wiki ijayo, and remember to live healthy on life and active hours on meals at all times. For me, I won't keep you waiting. I'll continue munching down my meal. Otherwise, my tummy will be angry. So kwaheri. Remember to keep it healthy on life and active hours on meals at all times. Goodbye.